Hi, this is Mita with Best Your Life Hypnosis and Coaching. I am sharing my screen today with you um, because I wanted to tell you a little story about something I learned. I look at these wave files uh, here on my screen. This is an example of a wave file that I create every day, several times a day. I create hypnosis for my clients and I record them and convert them with beautiful music and my voice and very positive and powerful messaging into um, recordings, MP3 recordings that people can download right into their cell phone or right onto their computer, into an MP3 player. And these recordings tell a story. They talk to me. And today I learned something about uh, these recordings and about sound in general and how these wave files relate to our own unique, divine, and beautiful process of growth, of learning and development as a being. So each one of us has our own unique resonance, our own unique sound, our own unique wave file and pattern. And I know this because I've recorded myself and others. You don't even have to make a sound. You don't have to breathe. You can be recorded and you actually have an electric wave pattern or electromagnetic wave pattern. Anyway, um, and it tells a story about who you are and your frequency. And each of us has our own beautiful and very unique and very, very important divine frequency that contributes to a beautiful, amazing tapestry of sound that creates life here on Earth and is a part of life here on Earth and in this universe. So if you look at this wave file, you notice there's a top register, and this is similar to what our process is of learning and growing and experiencing. There's very high peaks and some of the lower peaks, and they're all very important. And then down on the bottom, we have the bottom register, and it has its own peaks and valleys and lows and highs, and they're all very important. And then there's this middle that's made up of all kinds of sounds and important frequency that contribute to the whole sound in general. So the top isn't better than the bottom registry. The middle isn't better than either one of them. Are all equally important, and they all are a part of the big story. And we need all of those peaks and valleys and highs and lows and in-betweens and ins and outs to create this beautiful tapestry of sound and life that we experience. And it is a true blessing to be able to work with these frequencies and to share them in a way that brings healing and health and help and awareness. So I hope you'll enjoy this and, have a different understanding, a new understanding about sound and about process and about who we are. So here's a little bit of what I do. Brought to you by Best to Your Life Hypnosis and Coaching. It's your time to shine. Have a wonderful day, and remember, it is your time to shine.